The secret of a snail's shell. It grows throughout life and can never be replaced. If you've ever admired a snail, chances are the first thing you noticed was its beautiful spiral shell. It looks like a tiny portable house, always neatly perched on the snail's back. Unlike a turtle that can withdraw into its shell or a hermit crab that borrows a new home when it outgrows the old one, a snail has a very different relationship with its shell. It is not simply carrying a house, it is living inside a part of its own body. And once that shell is damaged beyond repair, the snail cannot simply trade it for a new one. A snail's shell begins forming before the animal even hatches from its egg. From that moment onward, the shell grows together with the snail. The outer edge of the shell is continuously expanded by a specialized tissue called the mantle, which secretes calcium carbonate along with proteins to create new layers. As the snail becomes larger, its shell adds new material around the opening, gradually extending the familiar spiral shape. Interestingly, the oldest part of the shell is found near the pointed tip, while the newest growth appears around the opening where the snail emerges. This means that a snail's shell tells the story of its life, much like the rings inside a tree trunk reveal its age and growth history. Every new layer records another chapter in the snail's journey. Because the shell is a living structure connected directly to the snail's body, replacing it is impossible. If the shell suffers a small crack, the mantle can sometimes repair the damage by depositing additional calcium. However, severe breaks or major losses of shell material often leave the snail vulnerable to dehydration, infections, or predators. A badly damaged shell may ultimately become life-threatening. This is one reason calcium is so important in a snail's diet. Many snails actively seek out sources of calcium, such as limestone, chalk, eggshells, or certain plants. Without enough calcium, young snails may develop thin, fragile shells that offer poor protection. Healthy nutrition literally helps build a stronger home. The shell does much more than provide shelter. It protects the snail's soft body from predators, reduces water loss during dry weather, and offers a safe retreat whenever danger approaches. During periods of dormancy, the shell becomes an essential survival chamber where the snail can wait patiently for better conditions. The astonishing variety of snail shells is another wonder of nature. Some are smooth, while others display ridges, spikes, stripes, or intricate patterns. Their colors range from pale cream to deep brown and even vibrant yellows, depending on the species and its environment. Every shell is both functional armor and a work of natural art. The next time you find an empty snail shell on a forest trail or in your garden, remember that it was once far more than a simple covering. It was an inseparable part of a living creature that grew alongside it from the very beginning. For a snail, home is not a place to return to, it is something carried for an entire lifetime.